How's it going, guys? My name is Mateo, founder of Tacoma Beast. If you guys have not heard of us before, make sure to check us out on Instagram. Today we're going to Tennessee, where we're going to be hosting a small event there, an end of the year event. Guys, this is going to be a sweet adventure. We got 13 hours ahead of us. Let's do it. Ready?
You ready?
Fully loaded, ready to go, man. Let's do this.
Okay, for two?
Yeah. Time to hit the road. We're running behind schedule. We need to get to Tennessee by 10 o'clock. We just gotta step on it. Right now we're in Ocala, Florida. We got about 3 hours to go in order just to leave Florida. From there, another 5 hours to get to Tennessee. Going to the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. It should be this right here. Alright guys, we just finished crossing the line into Georgia. I'm getting really tired. I'm about to go to sleep. I only had 3 hours to sleep last night. David's gonna take the wheel. And hopefully we get there and there's enough light to show you guys how the tent gets built. Let's do it. So we are exactly 1 hour and 17 minutes away to our destination, and it doesn't stop raining. It's been raining for a really long time, and it looks like we're gonna have to set up camp in the middle of the rain. We also have to go buy some food at Walmart because we left it for last moment. Let's do it. I'm here to get 3 things, and those 3 things is eggs, bacon, and coffee. And we found the bacon. Thank you. Have a good night. Get ready, we're gonna get soaking wet, we're gonna sleep wet. It's gonna be wonderful. So I gotta go figure out where I'm gonna stay, and we'll go from there. It's gonna be cool. It's my second time opening up the CVT tent under the rain. It's not fun, but what are you gonna do? We gotta sleep.
Oh shit.
That's where we're gonna sleep, dude. We have to go to sleep, wake up early in the morning, cook breakfast, and from there just go get Wi-Fi, work in the morning, and then finalize everything for tomorrow's meet. Time to go to sleep. Good night. Time to cook some bacon. Nothing's really gonna be missing. Before scramble. packing up and I'm ready to go. I spent the night here at the Great Smoky Mountains and I'm on my way to Gatlinburg to get everything ready for tomorrow's meet.
Right now we're gonna be headed back to the town, get a hotel room, dry everything up because last night everything got soaking wet, but that's okay. We're gonna fix the problem, and then we're gonna get ready for the event and get everything we need. And we got Mateo here balling out.
These are
He's counting cash, man. $100 bills, man. Have anything to say?
Dude, I need to go work.
Let's go work.
We spent the night here at the Great Smoky Mountains and we are on our way to Gatlinburg to get everything ready for the meet. But first things first, we're gonna go to the hotel, make sure that everything got wet, we lay it out, we make sure that it starts drying. Then I'm gonna get on board with my emails, make sure that I'm on point with emails. You should do the same thing. And once we're fully caught up and we just throw that shit from the front of your head to the back, you can focus on the important things, so we start prioritizing. All right, let's do it. Alright guys, so we just got to the hotel. We're gonna stay here the night. We're gonna freshen up and tomorrow's the meet. We gotta unpack, dry everything out that got soaked on last night. So we're just vlogging our adventure. I go across the country with this truck, just camping out.
Oh, yeah, that's good. Okay.
Yeah, if you guys check us out on Instagram, it's Tacoma Beast. For trusting someone that I did not know into doing an event with them. The guy's like, let's do the event in the Disney World parking lot. We're in Splash Country here in Tennessee, and that's exactly what the guy fucking, you get me? Like, I trusted him, thinking that the guy would do a good job, and he didn't. Now I'm trying to figure out what we're gonna do, where we're gonna park. I'm probably gonna have to cancel the event. Right now we're on our way to a place that I believe is gonna be a good location. I'm gonna go talk to the manager, see if he can lend me this parking lot during the day. We just found out that they only use it after 1 p.m. It's gonna work out. Well, I want to see if I can talk to maybe a manager or someone in regards to possibly having a car event done here tomorrow in the parking lot.
There won't be any during the night.
Oh, during the day? Oh, okay.
So after the morning until about midnight.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Thank you anyway.
Sorry.
I don't even feel like vlogging right now, man. They said we don't have the manpower to monitor your event, which means they don't have the manpower to come kick us out.
So what does that mean?
Maybe we can make the event happen. We're just gonna be reckless. So what I'm thinking is, dude, I fucking risk it. I do it.
I know it hurts, but at least if you're gonna go with a bang, go with a fucking bang, right?
What's your name?
Will,
Where are you from?
Knoxville.
Knoxville? You drove all the way out here for the event?
Yes.
Sick.
I don't know if you guys have seen our second gen,
Yeah.
the pre-runner. Dude, I got that 2018. Everyone told me it was the worst financial decision that I had ever done in my entire life, and I was able to build Tacoma Beast from that. But I took my time building it, definitely to where it is now. I'm a Miami boy, so like, right now I should be like shivering, but I'm not. First of all, I want to thank you guys for coming out here. Part of the goal for 2019 for Tacoma Beast is to be able to meet every single one of our followers. I'm going to be traveling around the country to make that happen. So I want to thank you guys for coming out here today. From here, the event is basically over. The park ranger told me that we have to head out in a few minutes, and it's about now. So we're going to head out to Gatlinburg. If you guys want to roll in with us, that would be pretty cool. We're going to be a pretty big group. So from there, I guess I'll just honk and it'll be our goodbyes. Okay? Thank you for coming.
Yo, we did it, bro.
We did it, man.
Successful.
That was so scary, bro. That was so scary. But that's what it means to be an entrepreneur, guys. You just gotta adapt. There's gonna be times where you're gonna freak out. You're gonna feel like everything just fell off your plate. You just have to pick it up. 15-second rule. Put it back in your mouth and keep going. All right, guys. So right now we are rolling up in a convoy. I have about 18 trucks behind me, give or take. The meat was not a huge meat like the other meats that we have done, but that's exactly what I was expecting. You guys are gonna see a lot more of that throughout the year. We're gonna do small meets in different cities across the US. I'm gonna be traveling around because for 2019, the goal is to meet most of our followers.